In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom with Canva. This combination allows you to create engaging presentations with video narration, enhancing your communication. Let's get started by opening a web browser and searching for Canva. You will see the search results populate on your screen. Look for the official Canva website, which typically appears at the top of the list. Clicking on the correct link is crucial because it ensures that you are accessing the legitimate platform. Once you find it, click to enter the site. This action sets the stage for all the creative work you will do in the following steps. Next, if prompted, you will need to log into your Canva account. On the screen, you may see fields for your email address and password. Enter your credentials carefully. This step is important because it secures your account and ensures that you can access your saved projects. If you are new to Canva, you might see an option to create a new account. Remember, logging in gives you access to all your designs and templates. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Canva dashboard where you can manage your presentations. Now it's time to open your presentation on Canva. Once on your dashboard, locate the project you want to present. You can find it under the All Your Designs section or in any specific folders you have created. Clicking on your presentation opens it in the editing mode. This is where you can make last-minute adjustments or just get ready to present. It's reassuring to know that you can always modify your slides before recording, ensuring everything looks perfect. From there, let's open the Loom desktop app. If you don't already have it installed, you'll need to download it first from the Loom website. Once it's open, the app will appear on your screen, displaying various recording options. This is a critical step because Loom allows you to capture your screen and your voice simultaneously, making your presentation more dynamic. Make sure that the app is running in the background while you prepare to record. Next up, ensure your camera is turned on. In the Loom app, you will see an option to toggle the camera on or off. Click on the camera icon to activate it. This step is essential because having your face on screen can help personalize your presentation. It creates a connection with your audience, making the experience more engaging. After you confirm that your camera is on, take a moment to check your appearance. At this point, select what screen you'd like to share and be captured by the recording. Loom provides options such as your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. Choose the option that best fits your presentation needs. This selection is important because it determines what your audience will see during the recording. Once you've made your choice, you will see a brief confirmation on your screen, ensuring that the right content is ready to be shared. After that, in Canva, click Present in the top right corner to go full screen. This button allows your slides to take up the entire screen, which is visually appealing for your viewers. When you enter full screen mode, make sure everything displays correctly. This step is crucial because it provides a professional look to your presentation, removing any distractions from other elements on your desktop. Now hit the Start Recording button on your Loom panel and present your slides. As you begin, remember to speak clearly and engage with your audience. You will see your slides transition as you present, and Loom will capture everything. This is the moment you've been preparing for. Your audience will appreciate the effort you put into creating a visually appealing and informative presentation. By following these steps, you will effectively use Loom with Canva, allowing you to create stunning video presentations that captivate your audience. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.